Can I help you?
Hi, sir. Sorry, your house is so impressive, and I just wanted to know, what do you do for a living?
Mafia.
TikToker Aaron is asking rich people what we all want to know. What do you do for a living?
I love the house. The cars are wicked. I'm just curious, what do you do for a living?
Give me a sec, man.
Oh, okay.
Got a champagne brand and cannabis brand.
Wow.
And have fun.
What? Okay, awesome, bro. I'm just really curious, what do you do for a living?
We sell
Okay, what do you sell?
human organs,
Okay.
and ice creams.
All right.
I'm joking, no ice creams.
No.
We don't sell ice creams.
Okay, all right. Sorry for disturbing you. Is this your house?
Yep.
Wow. What do you do for a living?
I'm a race car driver. Just won the Porsche GT3 Cup Championship in the States.
Holy smokes. Your house is exquisite, and I'm just curious, what do you do for a living?
I'm an architect.
Wow. Okay. Sorry for interrupting. Your house is gigantic. I'm just so curious. What do you do for a living?
Are you that guy from TikTok?
Yes. Yeah, I am.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Well, we're in investments, real estate, the good of things. Yeah.
Cool. Thank you so much. Hi there. Your house is breathtaking. I'm just really curious. What do you do for a living?
I'm actually a professional housewife.
Wow. That's awesome. Good career choice. Hello. Sorry for bothering you. Your cars are super cool and the house is awesome. I'm really curious. What do you do for a living?
Oh, I'm a gynecologist.
Wow. Okay.
I gotta
Okay.
go,
Wow.
man. I'm really busy. Yeah.
All right. No problem. Thank you. Sorry for disturbing you. Your house is just...
Oh my gosh, I know you.
Really? Okay, so what do you do for a living?
Well, my family owns hotels.
Wow, awesome. Beautiful house.
You want to check it out?
Okay, all right. What do you do for a living?
I'm a cardiovascular technologist.
Wow, okay, that's an interesting job. Thank you so much. Hi there, sir. Sorry for interrupting you. Your house is probably the most beautiful I've ever seen.
Oh, thank you.
What do you do for a living?
I am an investment.
Okay, thank you so much. Sorry for interrupting you. Your house is just so spectacular. I'm curious, what do you do for a living?
We build custom homes, we do renovations of homes, and we also do dental offices.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Sorry for disturbing you. Your house is just really beautiful, and I wanted to know, what do you do for a living?
Oh, nice to hear that. I'm a radiologist.
Radiologist. Wow. Okay.
Can I help you?
Hi, sir. Sorry, your house is so impressive, and I just wanted to know, what do you do for a living?
Mafia.
Oh, wow. Really? Wow. Okay.
Pretty ballsy, right? I'm not sure if I'd have the courage to go and knock on some randomer's door and ask them what they do for a living, especially when they have a dog like that. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below, and if you've got any videos that you think we should share, do send them in to us to It's Gone Viral. If we feature them, you'll receive £100.